I know. Everyone says that you have to be doing video marketing in YouTube in order to generate consistent Clickbank sales or affiliate sales with your online business. Now, I've been guilty of that myself just because I like video and I favor video, but that doesn't mean that it's the only way that you can actually generate Clickbank sales just with video. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually start generating Clickbank sales without getting in front of the camera and without even doing YouTube. We're starting right now. Hey guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and if you want to learn how to make money with your internet connection and your laptop via affiliate marketing, you definitely found the right channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen and click the notifications so that you're notified every time I release a new video. Now, like I said guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you an alternative way that you can actually make Clickbank sales without actually doing any type of video marketing or using YouTube. So let's going to jump right to my laptop. All right guys, so we're going to jump right into this video. And again, just to recap, you don't have to be doing video marketing and posting videos on YouTube every day to generate commissions with Clickbank or any other affiliate network for that matter. Videos do help because it actually does build rapport fast with people. It taps into some emotional triggers that help people buy quicker, but that's not the only way. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you an alternative that you can use in order to generate money with Clickbank. And it's something that's been around for a very long time, and that's to basically create content that people are already searching in Google now. So you're going to be targeting keywords that people are typing in, and you're basically going to be creating a blog and creating content, good content around those targeted keywords that people are searching into Google and getting that content ranked so that you can get your website to the top of those particular keywords. People will read your content and then they'll find your Clickbank offers that you're going to be recommending to them. So what I've done here is I'm here at Clickbank, and basically what you're going to do is just find a niche, right? So for instance, if you wanted to go into the health and fitness niche, you would essentially come in here and you would basically want to find, 5 good products that have good gravity scores that resonate with you. You check out the sales page, you check out the average sales, and make sure that they're the good quality products. So for instance, if I was in here with health and fitness, I would go through here, do all my due diligence, and make sure that the 5 products that I want to sell are good quality products. The next thing I would do is I would basically go over to my Google keyword tool and I would type in weight loss. And I would try to find as many keywords as possible that have low to medium competition. And I would jot those keywords down, or you can actually export these keywords and then you can sort them by low to medium. And then you can take out all those keywords that you're going to be able to create some good content for your blog in order for you to actually make some money. Now, once you have all your keywords done, you actually have to, create the blog and start creating content. So when I went to Google a minute ago, I actually did search, weight loss blogs, and this was one of the first websites that came up for me. And basically it's called this Bistro MD Health Library. And when I look at it, I see, they have multiple headings up here. They have some headings up here. And when I hover over these headings, it has weight loss resources, and it has diet solutions, seasonal diet tips, weight loss. I can go to better living, and it has women's health and men's health and health conditions, and it has all these different things about cholesterol and diabetes and overeating and heart disease. They have stuff about fitness in here. Now, what this blog creator has done is they're basically taken a niche and they're targeting so many different topics within that niche. So we're still in the health and fitness niche, but they're targeting all these different things within that niche, and they're creating content around all of these healthy weight loss, getting healthy within this one blog. So essentially what you would be doing is creating a blog, and then you would pick your different products over here in Clickbank, and then you're going to get all these different keywords that people are already searching in Google, and then you're going to be creating that content within your blog. So the point is you have to go deep with your blog, right? So you're not just going to throw up one article, 2 articles, 3 articles. You're going to constantly be creating content and go very deep with your blog and with some of these topics that you can cover, because you can cover multiple topics within your blog, and then you can be recommending products, digital products, physical products, whatever you want. And you can be selling stuff, selling stuff within your blogs. You have banners. There's so much opportunity that you can have once you have a blog. But the point is you have to be consistently creating content. So if you don't want to do video marketing, you need to be creating an article like a day or every other day, or set a goal for yourself to say, okay, I'm going to do 3 or 4 1,500 word articles every single week, no matter what. The keywords isn't going to be an issue. There's tons of keywords that you can target. And the more content you guys create, the more content you create, the better chances of that content getting ranked. And as your blog gains authority, you're going to start coming up for a lot of these different keywords if you stay consistent and you're writing good information. Then when someone goes to Google and they type in a specific keyword, your blog can come up, they can read your information, and then, oh, they're recommending this Clickbank product, or they're recommending this product on Amazon. Let me go look at it, check it out, and then that's how you start generating some sales. The problem is 2 things. Most people don't know how to create a blog, and most people won't be consistently creating content. So if you don't know how to create a blog, the first thing you could do is, if you want to just purchase one, you could go over to flippa.com. I typed in weight loss, and I just found a random weight loss blog here. It's selling for $145. And I clicked on it, and basically you can kind of see that there's a nice skeleton here that you could actually start with if you didn't want to create a blog from scratch. And the cool thing about Flippa is the information is, the blog is already created for you. The person that created it will basically give you all the information about it. A lot of times they'll host your blog for a year, but you can get your own domain and hosting if you want to. But it kind of gives you a nice skeleton, so you have like a starting ground to start creating your content. So then you can kind of skip all of, the hard work of trying to get the graphics and, just trying to make it look right. Just find something that looks nice to you already, and then you can start utilizing this platform and just creating your content with the keywords. Now, if you want to create your own blog, I'm going to give you guys some free training that you guys can get access to for absolutely free. It's going to be a link in the description. And once you log in, you're going to get to a point where you can actually go through this training for free. And you're just going to go down here to where it says additional training. And you're going to go down to blog creation. And then you're going to start going through this training. There's steps 1 through 43. So there's nothing left out of this training. So if you want to create your blog from scratch, it's going to show you how to purchase your domain and hosting, all the way to picking your product, creating content, getting your keywords, and selling from a blog. So that's everything in there, nothing's left out. So that's if you want to kind of just start from scratch and do your own thing. But again, the point is you got to get started. You have to be consistent, buy a blog or create your blog, and then set a goal for yourself to say, okay, I'm going to be posting every single day for the next 90 days. I'm going to post 3 articles a week, no matter what, rain, sleep, or snow, and just stay consistent. And you can start getting traction, you can start ranking in the search engines, and you can start making money with Clickbank if you follow the plan. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. Make sure you guys check the link in the description if you want to get affiliate marketing training, as well as this blog training that I just discussed with you guys. And make sure you hit the like button if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.